The Titanic. It's one of a big ship. This is just zoomed in. That is the front. Move back. This is the big ship. Big ship. Got so much layers of decks. Never used this ship model before. It's kind of dusty at the top. But we'll have a look at it. It's kind of a bit damaged. Especially around the funnel area. Then here it goes to the back. You have your rudders and your engine. And that's the Titanic. As it comes through. Yeah. This is one of the best views you can get on the Titanic.